Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Paycom account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your paycom.com account, first open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.paycom.com. and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Paycom, which looks like this, you'll be able to see a login button at the top right hand corner. Simply mouse over to the button and you should see three options displayed in the pop-up. You can log in as a client, employee, or an accountant. Choose any one option you'd like to log in with. I've chosen employee. Now, go to the text box where it says username and type in your username associated with your account into the text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking the eye icon at the right corner. Now, head over to the next field and type in the last four digits of your social security number. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password or look for your username. After typing in your credential, click the Login button and you'll be able to log into your Paycom account online, quick and easy. Paycom is a cloud-based payroll service. You can access your account anywhere once you have internet access. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.